To fix the issue of the fingerprint settings option disappearing on Android, start by checking if the fingerprint sensor might be damaged. To do this, go to About Phone in your settings, then select Detailed Info and Specs. Look for Kernel version and tap it 4 times, which will take you to the Hardware Test menu. Scroll down to find Fingerprint Sensor Test and Fingerprint Enroll Test and perform these tests. If any test fails, it's likely a hardware issue and you should consult a technician. If the sensor passes all tests, try the following 3 methods to restore the fingerprint settings. First, restart your phone. A simple reboot can often solve temporary issues with settings and hardware. 2. Update your phone. Check for any software updates, as this may contain fixes for fingerprint sensor related bugs. Third, perform a factory reset. If the issue persists, back up your data and perform a factory reset, which can resolve more persistent software conflicts affecting the fingerprint settings. These options should help in troubleshooting and restoring the fingerprint settings option.